He mimics for fun, breaks the internet for real. Purav Jha. पूरव, कॉमेडी तो आप कर लेते हैं, रियलिटी में सर्वाइव कैसे करोगे?
एक्चुअली एक्टिंग ही हर जगह करनी चाहिए और मैंने यहाँ भी वही किया है। तो आपको एक बहुत खास कैरेक्टर देखने को मिलेगा पूरव झा का, ठीक है? तो हर थर्सडे के लिए रेडी रहना। यस।
मुझे चेतावनी मिली है यहाँ पे। He is serving snark and side eye. Sufi Motiwala. Sufi, why don't you do what you do the best? Is
Jesus.
rate this group that's sharing the stage with you. Rate it. Come on.
Everybody's ready? बेशरम, बेहया, बेवकूफ, बगैरत, बदतमीज, बेहुदगिरी, सब कुछ करके आ गए हम लोग. Just kidding. I do not like this question because you want me to be nice, but I play dirty and you know that. And to the media, imagine if Rakhi Sawant and Paris Hilton had a baby. That's what I'm giving on this show. And that is a 10 out of 10, baby. That's a 10 out of 10.
We love that concoction. Thank you so much and wishing you guys the best. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let me get them. His strategy hides behind stand up. You laugh and he's already won. Harsh Gujral. Harsh.
Yes.
Ramayana laughs. Sounds like your stage. Now, इस शो में क्या आप प्लेयर्स को हंसाने वाले हैं या रुलाने वाले हैं? क्या प्लान है?
सर इस स्टेज पे इस शो में ना मैं हंसाऊंगा ना मैं रुलाऊंगा, मैं सिर्फ मारूंगा और बहुत लंबा मारूंगा. आई एम कमिंग द ट्रेटर्स. थैंक यू.
उसकी गूंज सुनाई देगी दूर दूर तक.
हाँ सर, मुझे तो आप भी ट्रेटर लग रहे हो.
चौथा नहीं है अभी तक 3 ही है सिर्फ. वो ढूंढने कौन है, पर 12 जून के बाद. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. Now, this one is a professional charmer who knows how to play sweet. Karan Kundra. Karan, what you have to say, and you've been television's favorite chocolate boy. Do you think that will affect the players' perception of you?
First of all, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. There's nothing chocolatey or sweet about traitors. Let me just state that fact here. If you think there's anything which is going to be nice and sweet and homely about this show, you're in for a very big surprise. And as Apurva said, it's not about your perception. It's about how you play and how you manipulate. So if these guys are thinking कि ये chocolatey है या ये बहुत sweet है, well, all the best to you guys then.
No place for the sweet tooth here. Yeah? Wishing you the best, Karan. Off first. He spits fire with his words and moves. It's Raftar. Raftar, मेरा पहला सवाल आपसे है. With all the dhoka going around, are we going to see a very different avatar and a cold-blooded shade of you?
सर, ये जो लैंड है ना, ये धोखेबाजों का है. ये ट्रेटर्स की जमीन है. तो जैसा देश वैसा भेष और जैसा क्रिमिनल वैसा केस.
Oh, man of yours, impressed. His masked entrances have been making headlines for years. It is Raj Kundra. Raj, my first question's for you. How do you think your fellow players will perceive you and what's your strategy? क्या है planning इस game के लिए?
जब भी मैंने लाइफ में एक मास्क पहना है, सबको यही लगा कि ये बंदा मास्क के पीछे क्या छुपा रहा है. एक मिस्ट्री है, तो आई थिंक दैट मिस्ट्री माइट हेल्प मी इन दिस गेम. ये कलयुग का शो है ट्रेटर्स. इस पे पता नहीं चलेगा दोस्त कौन और दुश्मन कौन 1 मिनट में. यही स्ट्रैटेजी लेके आई एम गोना होप दैट जो मिस्ट्री है मेरे पीछे, इट माइट हेल्प मी इन दिस गेम. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट, करण सर शो होस्ट कर रहे हैं, तो वो नेपो हस्बैंड वाला कार्ड तो जरूर यूज करूंगा.
She plays sweet and slays with it too. Jannat Zubair. Jannat, what is the one secret weapon that will help you survive in such a cutthroat game and filled with backstabbing and out-and-out dhoka?
I think my sweet and innocent looking face. People don't think twice before trusting me. And what they don't know is behind this innocent face, there's this person who's always 5 steps ahead of them. So I'm going to play my game, stay calm, and as soon as they put their guards down, checkmate.
Well, she's reinstating the fact looks are deceptive, but wishing you the best. She stuns with fashion and fearless flair. One and only, Urfi Javed. Urfi, my next question is for you. अब ये जो है इस पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप में यानी कि रफ्तार, जन्नत, साहिल, इनमें से आपको सबसे बड़ा खतरा कौन लगता है?
मुझे सबसे बड़ा खतरा साहिल लग रहा है.
Hey, he's
Sahil. I think Sahil is the biggest threat.
हाँ? वो तो हम 12 जून के बाद जानेंगे क्या क्या किया और क्या क्या हुआ है. But wishing you guys the best and thank you so much. Thank you. Let me get the mic from you. Thank you. First, he charms, then disarms. Sahil Salatia. Sahil, my questions to you. It seems like the competition's going to be extremely intense and the stakes sky high. Do you think you'll be able to work your charm on this show?
Interesting. Now, I think charm doesn't work. It happens, first of all. But secondly, मेरे को आस्तीन में सांप पालने की बहुत आदत है, so I hope मैं वो escape कर पाऊँ. Because fingers crossed, I think I'm going to be very lucky this time.
We wish you the best and
Thank
thank you
you.
so much.
Thank you.
She is a rebel who breaks rules as a rule. Apurva. Apurva, my first questions for you. इस शो पे एक से बढ़कर एक रेड फ्लैग्स हैं, पर आप इस शो की सबसे बड़ी रेड फ्लैग किसे बनाएंगे?
I think people just think that being a red flag is about lying, manipulation, and deception. And all of that is true. But to do all of that, you require brains, which unfortunately most of these people don't have. So I don't know if I'm the biggest red flag, but I use more than one brain cell at all times.
Well, hard hai. She plays cards for a living and players for sport. Nikita Luta. You make a living off your poker face and skills. Now, do you think your game at the poker table will help you with your game on the show?
Yes, first I want to address Apurva. She said nobody uses more than one brain cell. Darling, I use all of them for a living.
Oh.
And my job is to stay unreadable for a living while reading everyone else. So yes, this game is right up my alley. It might not just be helpful to be a poker player, it might be actually dangerous.
She is absolutely breaking hearts and breaking the internet. Elnaz Norozi. Elnaz, how far would you go to win and how important is it personally for you to win?
Well, winning for me is very important because I haven't crossed continents to break into one of the toughest industries to play it safe. So I'm going to go as far as I have to go, and I'm going to look good doing it, and I'm going to do everything to win forever in life.
And you fared extremely well so far. Wishing you the best. Thank you so much. Scintillating combination of Hollywood flair and Tollywood legacy. Lakshmi Manchu. Lakshmi, do you think you can win over friends and influence people?
I'm winning right here, standing in front of all of you. Very good morning. And influence, I've been influencing since some of these traitors knew what content was, darling. So I'm here to win and influence.
Thank you and wish you the best. Might look calm, but she's got a quiet game brewing under that smile. Anshula Kapoor. Anshula, would you be able to betray someone to go and get ahead in the game? Out and out.
You called me innocent and calm. I may look innocent and calm. I may look cute even. But acting to हमारे खून में है ना. And killing it with a little bit of confidence and killing it with a smile on my face, I think is my forte.
So you got all the elements right in place there. Wishing you the best and thank you so much. Our first, he's an actor, model, singer, writer, and producer. Is there a role he is yet to play? It is Sudhanshu Pandey. Sudhanshu, my questions are first for you. You have so many avatars. Which avatar will be seeing of yours in the show? And also, will you be the villain or do you have something else up your sleeve?
I think this is a reality show. I'm going to keep it real. Just be myself. And my strategy is going to be not have a strategy. Just be myself. Basically, that is what it's going to be.
His voice is more than enough when he starts talking in there, right? So, but thank you and wishing you the best, Sudhanshu.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
The next one reads tarot, but expect her to reveal your fate just yet. Janvi Kaur. Janvi, my questions to you. You know, as a tarot reader, you're quite a mind reader to people reader too. So, do you think you're a threat to other players?
Thank you for your question. ये एक धोखों का सा महासागर है एंड हर एक का धोखा देने का एक अपना स्टाइल है तो हर धोखे से और हर एक के धोखे से कैसे बचना है कैसे उसे डॉज करना है आई थिंक दैट विल बी इन माय फेवर
काफी तरीके और पैंतरे आप ऑलरेडी तैयार करके लाई आप योर स्लीव्स विशिंग यू द बेस्ट बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया थैंक यू शी इज स्वीट ऑन द आउटसाइड savage on the inside. Jasmine Basin. Jasmine, you know, जितने दोस्त के साथ आप इस गेम में आई हैं क्या लगता है उतने ही लेके जाएंगी या उसमें कम होंगे या बढ़त होगी?
हो सकता है ज़्यादा के साथ जाऊं बट मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ये रहा है कि गेम शो में दोस्त कोई नहीं होता सब कॉम्पिटिटर होते हैं.
इस कंपटीशन में आपका स्वागत है और आपको बेस्ट विशेस फ्रॉम पोकर फेसेस टू प्लॉट ट्विस्ट. दिस बंच इज पैकिंग ब्रेन्स, ब्लफ्स एंड बोल्ड मूव्स. थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल ऑफ यू एंड विश यू द बेस्ट. या एक से बढ़कर एक क्या जवाब दिया है. बट हमने कहा था कि 20 प्लेयर्स हैं, राइट? ये तो बस 17 थे, 3 बाकी है. पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. But before we jump through the trailer, एक छोटी सी झलक उन प्लेयर्स की जो इतने बिजी थे प्लानिंग और प्लॉटिंग में कि इवेंट पे आना ही मिस कर दिया. So here's welcoming them in spirit. Our 18th player of the Traitors. She uses glam, grit and grace with piping hot gossip to match. Points for guessing who this fabulous wife is. It is Maheep Kapoor. Our 19th player, the veteran actor who knows how to switch from villain to vlogger without missing a beat. It is Ashish Vidyarthi. And now, last but not the least, the man who made a career out of making stars, but this time is in the show to steal the spotlight himself. It is Mukesh Chhabra.